my channel. Today I will be making a game in Roblox using the Lua language. I did have some previous games made, but they were not all that important or relevant to general scheme of things. So right now I am more invested in making something that's actually playable and enjoyable by the user base of Roblox. So off the bat I have to come up with a game. I've completely started from scratch, even the ideas as well. So I do need to think of a game that would suit my plans, and I'm thinking of a game like Slime Ranch. If you guys know that game, it is something related to like slimes. You can think of it like a game such as Bee Simulator. uh, I never play that piece of garbage. I know this might offend some of my viewers, as few as I have. It's just that the game is repetitive and boring, and it's completely annoying. But for this, I have the opportunity to do it because it is single player and I do not yet have the resources to make a multiplayer game, only because I do not have the ability to make ads for the game. And if I had that opportunity, I could have made multiplayer games, but it just works this way, unfortunately. So let's begin by coding some small things. Let's say we have this. Let's add a face to it. So we have a part. This should be like a slime. So let's try to make this game feel blocky, okay? Something akin to Bee Simulator, except that it's not going to be. It will only have the same feeling. So let's find a decal with a face. I could put some random faces on them. Let's put this face. Okay, let's add it a color. Let's make it something along the lines of this. I feel it's going to be good. No, where is the base plate? I have to get rid of this stupid texture. Actually, because it is a base plate, I don't think. Could I change it though? No, I think I'll have to just replace this with a part. Fuck, why does this have to be so annoying? Let's add a simple part and put it here like this and make it slightly bigger this way and this way, and let's just get rid of the base plate. And what do I make this green? Let's just make it something yellow. Yeah, probably some sort of yellow like this. So we have a part. Right now we have a slime. I probably should rename it to slime 1 green. Although I might probably give it later names like jelly or something like that. It's not really that important right now. So I have to make it be able to jump. Now, to make something jump, I believe I need to use the second grade function, and I know how to apply it in real life in mathematics. I just cannot make it in um, Roblox. Let's add a folder first of all with the AI, and let's go into this folder and make a script. So this script will be the moving script. Random moving. So for this random moving script, let's first start by making the local part. Local slime equals script dot parent, and script local script equals script dot no, just script, only that. Local folder equals local script dot parent. Okay, not yet. I did want to save it, but not like this. Let's get rid of some stuff. And now I guess we have a bunch of definitions done already. So we have the, man, I really want to save it. I'm just used because of the C sharp coding and programming that I have. So local script is the script itself, folder, slime. I don't think this is even all that needed. Let's actually just remove it. So we have folder and slime, those being assets within the uh, slime part itself. So let's make movement. How do I make a function? Local movement equals. Yeah, let's get into Lua how to make a function. No, thank you. I do not need that. Let's just look in here. Okay, yeah, that's actually really simple. I did not think it would be this easy. Movement. Okay. And I have to add stuff in here. Unknown global movement. So I have to add local movement. No, because it doesn't need an argument then. Let's see what we have. Local. Oh, local function, my function. Okay. Yeah, I see now. Local function, it said. Local function movement, and I have to add in here. So do I add any arguments? I don't really think I want to add any sort of arguments. I could just take local position being slime dot position. Stupid thing. Now I want to randomize where this slime could go. So how do I do this? This is going to be slightly difficult. So I know that I have 360 degrees in which I could make it go. It's just that I need a sort of randomized clock to make it move through one way or another. Yeah, this is... Well, let's just make it position equals new vector 3. I need a bunch of arguments here. What if I just add this randomly? Well, actually, why doesn't this work in the first place? It's quite weird. No, it's just position dot. No, it's something else. I'm probably just mistaking this for something. Position dot. Oh, slime dot vector. Why can I not get slime dot Lua vector 3? No, I'm looking for something else. Okay, no. Lua how to move a part. Workspace dot baseplate dot position equals vector 3 new. Okay, yeah, fine. I got the syntax wrong. It's just so it's vector 3 dot new, and here I have to add. Wow, I have to really think of this actually. So how do I do it? So first of all, let's actually just get position for every single one of them. Position dot x, position dot, wait, it's x, y, and z. Okay, dot z slime dot position. Why doesn't it work? Do I have to make local position equals slime dot position? Okay, now it works. Okay, local position equals this, and now I have to change this without initializing anything new. Position equals position dot x plus math dot random. Put it 0, 5 maybe, like this, like this, like this. But it will be plus, and I do not want to risk something like. It could probably be plus or minus. I do not yet know. Oh, yeah, fuck that. Now let's see. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh wait, did it become bigger? Did I actually hold on? Yeah, I have to make like a trigger function for the random dot moving. So how do I do it? While while script while why can I get script dot enable equals true? Movement and just this. Okay, let's look just normally how it would. Why am I lagging? Oh, is it like, oh, okay, I think no. It's not really moving. Is the script enabled? Yeah, it is. So do this and wait 0.5 maybe this is the problem, or maybe I have the values just too small. Let's add like 0 to each of this, so it's going to be it didn't actually move. Let's troubleshoot and see why that is. Unique ID, I don't really care about that. Parent is AI, okay. So folder equals script.parent, and then script.parent.parent is the slime itself. The position is slime.position. Maybe I have to do slime.position equals this. Yeah, now I see. Now it works. Yeah, now it does. So first thing I have to change is, so how do I actually make this movement? I probably just want to begin with a small easy movement, and then I make my way higher to uh, like more of that. So I'll probably skip the, wait, let's see, X, I, Z. Oh wait, I do not have that view. So I have to keep I normal. Position I is going to be the same one, and as for this I want to make it either plus or minus. So do I make a local Actually, no, let's just make it sign equals math dot random 1 2 uh yeah 1 2 can I do it in no local sign, yeah, whatever, slime if sign equals 1, then we have do this and then end here. Why the fuck? Expected then if, yeah, okay, got it. Else if, no, if sign equals 2, yeah, and put minus in here like this, and maybe I should change this to like 2 2 2 2. Let's see how it does. I think it's going to be slightly better. Okay, it is slightly better in the sense that now it can select randomly the position at which it will go. The only problem is that the movement, although it's good, it's just a sort of a shortcut that I do not really agree with. Because first it has to face one of those points, and then it has to, as soon as it faces it, it has to go to it. So we will be using a for to do that. The only issue that I really have is making it face. So I will be using these two lines of code. It's just the values will be put in a for, and that I will have the facing part in the beginning. So let's get on Lua and see how to rotate a part to face a point. I think I said Lua. So let's see what they have to say in here. How to rotate a part while retaining the orientation of the part. So what's this? It is a vector tree that checks the distance. Okay. Holy shit, this is extremely annoying. Wow, I have to use ChatGPT. This is like beyond insane. I'm not gonna be. How to rotate part call slime to face up a point, a random point that I selected. Write the code in Lua. I hate trigonometry, and I do not. Oh, what's this? Random x equals. Can adjust the range. Oh, okay. So I already have some of this stuff. So we have local random point equals new. Okay. Local direction equals random point. Wait. The direction vector from slime to the random point. How the fuck does this even make any sense? Wait a second. No, hold on. So the direction is the random point to the. Why would I want to get the difference? Um. Oh, I have these two. Well, I'm going to copy paste this, but I really have to check it on my own and see if that's really. So first, this won't be anymore the slime dot position. This will now be local direct. No, I cannot say local direction. It's going to be local. Let's just call it random point like it is in here. Random point being this. So this should still apply, I believe, but it's still going to be slightly difficult to understand. Let's cramp up a little bit our code because there is no point in nesting this in. If it was C# maybe I would have done it, but it's not, so local random point. Oh no, not this. Let's see now. Okay, so now it does face randomly. I just don't know why it doesn't face this way. Seems to be a mistake because it doesn't face for some reason. Anyway, wait, it hasn't done it at all actually. It almost did it once, but once out of how many times it. Maybe it's because of the timer. Let's call it 1 instead. But I'm not sure. It should probably still be. Let's call it. Let's make it 0.1. Okay. Let's see how it does it. It almost looked a bunch of times, but let's keep it to 1. Okay. Maybe 1.5. Now, actually, hold on. I have to do a for loop. And for I equals 0, I is smaller than. Oh wait, I have to get the distance, do I not? Yeah, I have to get the distance. Okay. Local distance equals, and how do I calculate the distance in the first place? I mean, I did see that that guy made like a difference between uh, what was it called? Um, anyway, I just want to mention that he did make like the difference between the two, and not this one. This is the direction. There was like when I was looking through that guy's code and he took the direction. Let's try to get distance now. But I still do not understand the core of this. Like I get having random point and I understand what he did here. Okay, I understand what he did here. But I do not understand why he did that, like why this is how you calculate the direction. He just takes the XYZ values for each of them. He subtracts them and then somehow the direction is, well, is this even found anywhere else? What if I just remove direction? There is like no point in doing that. Let's see if anything breaks. Let's see, like, I'm really interested in seeing if it breaks. It didn't break. Wow, did you see that? This was worthless code that it gave me. Wow, this was beyond. Worthless. Okay. So local direction, I do not need that. Wow, that good thing we actually got it removed. So this was all that I really needed to put in. To put in. Wow. Okay. So how to get the distance between a particle slime slime and a point called random point. Then okay, actually I know how to make uh the moving part. I just need this in Lua. What the fuck is magnitude? To get the distance between a particle slime and a particle random point in Lua, you can use vector free method magnitude, which returns the length or distance of the vector. Here's how you do it. Okay, okay, local distance. Uh, this is all that it actually takes? Wow, wait, no way. This is actually way too simple. There is no way. Wait, so you have. So first, let's split the two from here. So we have local distance being slime dot position minus random point dot magnitude. So why is magnitude called length? Bro, this makes like no sense. I remember back then when I was looking for magnitude, I was like thinking back then when I was trying to learn about height maps and when I was trying to learn how to get noise and mm, I mean magnitude used on maps and just stuff like that, because you know you have to use these things when you have to insert parts and other assets into a map. You need a noise, you need magnitude, you need that general randomness. I do not understand why they rename this to why they named it this way. It's confusing. So now we have distance, which is a point in my book. This should be a point. So now we have to get like the rate between. Hold on, this might be a little bit more difficult to make. So now it faces correctly. I just need to increase the x value by an amount, by the amount. Oh yeah, now yeah, I can just do for I equals 0, I smaller than random point dot x, do plus plus I. What the fuck? I plus equals 1. For local I, should I do local I? For local I equals 0. How fucking dumb does this have to be? Local I equals 0. For I. But this takes it as. Actually, maybe I could just keep it this way. But I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. It's going to be a very risky. I mean, it's not very risky. It's just I'm going to take the risk that if it's positive, that it has to be I plus equals 1, and if it's negative, it is I minus uh, 1. Although I'm not sure if it's really going to work. I mean, let's just see. Let's see. It's no longer facing, so this is saying something. Yeah, so there is an issue. I think I should be getting... Hmm. This is going to be a little bit weird. I have to get for I equals slime that position. Do I take this as... Let's just put I plus equals 1 then. Okay, so what doesn't work is like I really want to know what doesn't work. So we have the C frame, we have... Let's get, I don't know, maybe this like a local variable for the distance between the slime dot position and the random point. No, wait, that's the distance. I mean, just calculate if it's positive. Uh, okay, let's just do it. Uh, so if distance is bigger than 0, then it should be plus equals 1. Else and it's going to be this. So this shouldn't be all that complicated to understand. It's just for some reason the game doesn't want to make it work. Where could be the point? It's... wow, it's just difficult to understand why it doesn't work. I have a 4 in this case. Let's do 0.01. Maybe this is the problem. Maybe. Nope. And the worst of all is that it doesn't end. For some reason it doesn't want to end and face away another place. Is it anchored? It's not even anchored. So it does movement and then it doesn't wait anymore to do it again. For some reason there is something here that breaks completely the... and I mean it has to be this. Let's make a bunch of tests. So we remove this and we see what happens. Okay, now it works. So let's go back and let's put this. Let's remove this and this and just troubleshoot it that way. What the fuck? And just troubleshoot it. Okay, so this might be what is breaking the code. So if distance is it's bigger than, if it is bigger than 1, uh do I not have like the ability to insert breakpoint? Okay, good. Now it's going to be this and this, and I want to see what's happening. Okay, so it took 2, and what happened? Let's put it to 20. Oh, I don't understand how to use breakpoints. Wow, okay, no, cancel. Let's just disable breakpoint, disable breakpoint. Delete breakpoint actually. What could be so fucking wrong in my movement script? I do not understand, like I just don't get it. Like it's not even that bad. Why is my slime part not moving? Fix the Lua code. Actually, I just noticed something. I put distance for both of them being. Actually, it doesn't matter. I forgot I have the else. It looks like you are trying to move the slime part to a random point and rotating it accordingly, but there are some issues with your code. Here's a breakdown of the issues and fixes. Issues: incorrect movement, low loop logic. You're trying to increment I in the loop using for I equals, but this is not valid. The for loop in Lua requires for numeric values. It requires numeric values for the start, end, and step. You're trying to use positions as loop variables, which won't work. Movement logic. Okay, so how is he planning to fix this? While distance. Okay. Normalize the vector. The fuck does that mean, normalize the vector? I don't understand. So this is really all that changed. It's not much that has been different. So what do I change now? I really do not understand. So I remove this and this, I believe. Correct? It has to be. Okay, let's go after end and get. Oh yeah, but I have local. Uh, let's do something. So let's get this here and let's remove distance from here and make local random point above in here. Now I remove local random point in both. Fuck this. And I remove. Bro. Okay. Now let's see if it works. I don't really think it's going to work, but I don't know. Let's just see. Oh, it does. It actually moves it randomly. Wow, this is interesting. So now it did something. So let's just see. Adjust movement speed. Yeah, I understand that. Normalize the vector and apply speed. I do not understand how this normalizes. So step. I did use something similarly to this in the distance formula when I applied it on C# with the carrier game. So what I understand from here, it's okay. Yeah, I get this. Maybe I will make it slightly faster. I do not. Let's actually keep it to 0.15. So random point minus line position. So okay, it's going to. Why is it dot unit? What's this? A normalized copy of the vector, one that has the same direction as the original but a magnitude of 1. Okay. Move the slime until it reaches the random point while distance is bigger than 1. So while the slime is not close enough, apply the movement increment, wait for the next frame to make smooth event, and update distance. But where do they get this value for the distance? I really don't understand where they get the value, but okay, in any case. We also need a sort of turning around for the slime. So we have to actually, let me just state that I do not understand about a quarter of the code that I have written right now, and most of it has been done in ChatGPT. But I do get that magnitude now gets the distance. For some reason, the distance will be above 0.1. This is understandable. This I did not know about the dot unit value, but it apparently makes a copy of the vector and sets like everything to 1. And yeah, that's about it. Let's simply go to the part where I make the rotation. Okay, this one. So random point equals vector 3 position dot x minus math dot random, like that. Okay, that this is where it gets the random point. Let's actually make the look at C frame. Let's change it. So I want to add a sort of 4, but I have to think about it for a while. So I cannot get the distance, or could I? Actually, let's copy this and put it in here and see how I could try to change it. So, okay, I have distance. I'm not going to be needing the distance, or would I? Okay, this is actually getting very difficult. I do not. I'm probably just going to skip it right now, to be honest. Yeah, I will skip rotating it. I will really skip it. Let's add in some more of these guys, and for now let's just, so they almost all decide to look there. Let's make a sort of, why are they going so far away? I don't think this is normal, guys. What the fuck? Where is it? Is it going to fall off the map? Are you serious? Is this? What the fuck? No, no, this is... Yeah, okay, man, okay. So I have to add a timer for this, otherwise it will fall off the map eventually. I'll just get stuck endlessly. While distance is this, do... Okay. While distance is that, and timer is different. No, is smaller than uh timer n. So let's make a local timer and a local let's actually make the end above here, timer and be math dot random 5 to 10. A local timer will be 0. Do timer plus equals 1. But wait, this might probably not work, because we're not speaking in seconds here. These are just integers. We have to think about it again. 0.0, no, let's keep it 0.1 and see what's going to happen. Actually, I only changed this in one of them. Let's change it in all of them. Let's see now. Yeah, so now they are refusing to go away for more than a lot of time. Okay, I'm actually quite satisfied with what we have achieved. Do I make a house? Let's not make a house. Let's just keep these guys. Let's. Hmm. I have to do something about them. So we have local distance, local move speed, local steps. We have a lot of shit to look at in here. So the main problem that I really have is they do not actually have a pathfinder to see what's in front of them or what's. They just have a bunch of random coordinates that they are looking for. And this will be troublesome. This will be very, very troublesome. Let's make killer. Let's make their predators, okay? So let's go in here and let's make them red instead. Now for these red guys I will be needing a different decal. I will be making. Do I add a scary face like this? Nah, let's just add an angry face. Do they not have faces? Bro, come on, dude. Angry face. Yes, like this. It's perfect actually. So, oh no, yeah, never mind. So let's look into his AI. So slime green, this will be slime to predator. Actually not slime to predator, let's name it slime evil 1 predator. Okay, so let's go into his AI and let's look in here. So we have to get a local function called the movement will remain the same, but what I will be actually no, I have to change movement so that I check every single time that I have distance done. Oof, this will be difficult. First of all, let's add a. I will be adding a timer, but not now, to improve the AI and make it wait after some time. And let's look in here, and we have to make sure that. Okay, Lua, how to check if two parts are touching each other? Okay. So it is the untouched. Wait a second, I have to come back. Okay, I'm back. So this is the function that verifies being the movement, and I might need to. Okay, first of all, let's put it in here. Okay. Uh, on part 1 touched, part, no, let's just call it got. And for the other part, if other part equals, ooh, no, if other part dot name, do I have this? Equals slime 1 green, then other part dot, how do I, I'm going to be eating a little bit if I did not intend to make this video on SAMR, but I'm hungry. What the fuck do I actually... Local function got other part. Wait, did I forget to add some? Oh, yeah, this goes at the end actually. On part 1 touch, it's actually slime. Let's see if it works like this now. Okay, I don't think it will work, but I think the code is actually broken right now. I'm just going to be eating a little bit more, and then after this I will continue properly coding. Mm. Was this all that I had to change? No. Okay, you know what? Let's just make slime dot destroy. Okay, it did destroy it. So then why is it not destroying this? what? Give me the name. Oh, it's it's fine. I why is it not? I do not fucking get it. If other part dot name equals okay, then other part dot destroy. Why is it not making any sense? Hold on, I will be removing collisions to see if this. Oh, fuck you. Yeah, no, I have to go to collisions. Wait, where is that? Not actual collisions. I have to look for. It's like sort of team collisions. I just don't know see where they are. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Let's just ignore that and hope to God that it's actually uh not the collisions. But I will be just keeping this above so I can test. Okay, it's not that. It's not. Okay. Oh yeah, collision groups, not collision teams. So we have local function cut other part. If other part that name equals. I really don't understand. I don't get it. Why does this log code not work? The fuck do you mean? I don't get it. Okay, listen. Should I put this above in here? Do I have to do that? Oh, okay, yeah, now, yeah, no, okay. Now I understand it. Now I understand how to make this work. Okay, then let's do something really simple, okay? Let's move this like so and put it in here. Now let's have this like that. Um, Somewhat flabbergasted by how this played out. Let's make a self-preservation system. So first of all, we have to give them some sort of buffs. But that will be for another video, not today.